Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Tibetan stream and you're watching me. So today I'm going outside and I got to work. First work is to update my Aadhaar card address. I left Aadhaar card address for them, but till now I didn't get any information about that. So I have to ask what is the situations about that. And another work is to get some petrol for my bike. Yeah, and yeah, this vlog will be very interesting because I set up my GoPro on my helmet and everything looked great, and yeah, and here my bike is here and I covered it, but there is some dog in our campus and the dogs are pee on my bike. This is disgusting. Let's go. So guys, this is first time I use my GoPro on my helmet and still it's not working. I mean the wire of the GoPro is not really tight. I think it is quite loose. I don't know how to set up, but I will try and show you how I ride my bike with GoPro. Okay, let's go. So as a new writer, this kind of problem really happens. So as a new writer, first you have to learn how to release clutch and how to get gears 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, if you're ungeared, then you have to release your clutch very slowly. If not, then this will okay guys, happen. Are you with me? Yeah, I hope that you all are with me now. So let's go. As I say that I'm going outside to get some petrol for my bike, and one of my friends is waiting at the dashu. So yeah, because I asked him to help me to ride to the petrol station because there are a lot of traffic and I don't have confidence to ride in traffic zone. So yeah. And here, I'm ashamed to say that I hate this car and my mirror becomes loose. This is my second time because at the first time I also hit a car and my handbrake, in front handbrake was broke and my mirror become loose, and I not yet fixed it. I just leave as random. So I'm going to fix it after I complete my 500 mile, so I can get my first service. Yeah. Okay guys, let me tell you the reason. The first reason is that the road is very tough, and the second reason is the road was not really well constructed, and third reason, because of rainy season this road more damaged, so whenever I reach here I am a little bit afraid, and sometimes I was fell down. Not really bad, but yeah, slightly. Okay guys, I have to stop here and fix my mirror, because if I don't fix it, then on highway I will get some problem because there are a lot of car on the highway on my road. So yeah, so I just fix it for now. It is not really stable as before, but I think I can reach to my friend for now. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, have you noticed that two mirrors stay a little bit different? Oh my goodness. I hope everything will be okay. Yeah, let's go then. From here to Dashu, I think there almost have 5 or 6 kilometers to cover. I think everything will be everything will be fine. Woo! Okay guys, after covering some kilometers, I reached Dashu and I'm looking for parking space because there are a lot of cars and motorcycles was parked beside, so I have to try to find some space. Oops, yeah, here. Finally I reached and I'm looking for my friend. Ah, đi bộ đi sao đó phải, phải có sao đó. Khó là nghe, ale đi phát kia rồi.
Num tang num jang ma chire ran.
Ang lapit ang badis be, de share sandish. Ta. Kalites ki. Ah, de da, ye de khar da. Okay guys, so my friend asked me why you're late, so then I show my GoPro and I say that I was busy with my GoPro setup on my helmet, so then he laughed. And after that we just left to the petrol station, and yeah, this market is one of the big market in Dharamsala, and this place called Dashu, and is considered one of the crowded place. Yeah, so there are a lot of traffics and a lot of bike, a lot of peoples and a lot of sellers. Yeah, that's for now, and let me see after get some petrols. And another thing is to ask about my Aadhaar card, because I leave it for update, address update, but I didn't get any message of that. Yeah. Okay, after some hours we got petrol, but about Aadhaar card, the office is closed, and so we didn't get any information about my Aadhaar card, because yeah, I leave it almost for 25 days, but still I didn't get any update message. Okay, mission 1 to get petrol was success, and mission 2 to ask about information about Aadhaar card update was failed. So then we got some vegetables and we plan to cook lunch in my room. Yeah, let's go back. And after some ride, my friend stopped me beside the road and he said that to get some roadside food, paranta, aloo paranta, one of the famous dish in India. Paranta. Okay, let's put off my helmet, and wow, have you noticed the tree behind me? Wow, looks so beautiful. Nice. Okay, so we met his friend, his colleague, in the roadside restaurant, and we had a delicious pranda and tea, and sponsored by his friend. Thank you. And we reached here, the final destination.
어디 이러는 거야? 이러는 말이야. 싹스 정말. 시작이야. 가서 건너뛰기인데. 아? 맛을 보여줘. 레라인 뭐 어디서? 아, 그래. 와, 서울 해서 가야 되는데. 그렇지. 뭐 공간이 아, 이거 어떻게? 이거 어떻게 하면 돼? 수. 근데 왜냐면 it's just the opposite. Just arm, shoulder. 야. 땡큐. 여기. 여기지. 다 쑥쑥 돼. 어디라? 야. 좋아. 어이. 나이스 좋아. 이거는 야. 좋아. 이거는 스쿨.
Okay, friends, I'm beside the road, main road, and just get some rest because we played 2 hours. We played game for 2 hours, and today's weekend, so we got time, and yeah. So let's get some rest, and after that, I'm going to enjoy some other beautiful natures around us, and also going to enjoy some sunset, beauty of sunset. So I will show you after that. Hey, peace. So this is sunset for the day. I love you. I love this moment. I love this beauty. So guys, what about you? Do you like sunset? Do you like to watch sunrise? I'm the guy who love to enjoy this kind of moment and this kind of beauty. Because in a day, the sunset and its beauty really touching my heart. So today, I just don't want to miss out the golden moment of the day and enjoy the peace, counting the cars and people who are busy with their evening walk, and say goodbye to the sunset. Finally, I remember that I love to do to capture this beautiful moment, and I just want to say goodbye.